onboarding process. Now, let me talk you through this. It's actually quite simplistic, right? But you definitely need to have the correct steps when onboarding a new client. So, we must get assets from the client to fulfill our service. What are those assets? Well, it could be login details, maybe build landing pages. It could be login details to a builder, maybe it's automations. It could be login details to Zapier, Excel sheets, Google accounts, so on. This could be images, anything you need or that can help you fulfill your service. Okay, so if you run a short form agency, let's say a short form content agency, then now you need you need much more information about the client. You need their ideal customer, you need their offer, all put in front of you, and then you can now go away and create the scripts for this client. Okay, so to get these assets in one clean swoop, use an onboarding form. This you can do. So if you look up Google here, you can create loads of different forms. Okay, so this is actually really beneficial, and you can have the questions in here, edit your questions, and then you have your responses on the right hand side. Very beneficial. It shows much easier. And then to the next part, yeah, you can retrieve everything you need. So then you fulfill your service and ask for a testimonial at the end. Always do this, right? Especially if you get results, say you leave the service run for a couple of weeks and you're seeing results. Now you want to ask them for a testimonial. That could be a written testimonial or ideally a video testimonial. Use this testimonial as marketing material going forward. It is much easier to sign a client once you have social proof. Social proof is very important, right? So let me show you examples of social proof, right? You can showcase pages. This is a showcase your service. This is a landing page I built myself, or I redesigned for a client, right? My own landing page for my landing page services, showing the latest work, showing video testimonials from clients I've had. This is all great ways of showing that you're trustworthy, that you can fulfill on the service, and it's literally the easiest way to do it. At the very start, if needs be, you can do work for free in exchange for a testimonial, but the onboarding process stays the same. You need certain login details, assets, images, videos, and so on. So that is simply that. Take care.